Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Adirondack Diamond Point Lodge. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. New owners 2021 season. We are excited to announce our spring renovation of our timeless classic Adirondack Diamond Point Lodge. A new look, new furniture, new bedding and much more this year. Our property hosts 16 guest rooms, 6 cabins and a guest house. Amenities include heated pool, fire pits, outdoor barbecue at the Cabana, kids and family rec room, ping pong, inside and outdoor, horseshoe pits, pool table, shuffleboard, basketball, playground. Relax and enjoy the Adirondacks outdoors. Nestled in the woods on a 3-acre property, just 8 minutes north of Lake George Village. We are on the trolley line, no need to drive to the beaches, shops and restaurants if you prefer to ride. We are a family-owned and operated resort. The Drake family, who has experience in the vacation industry, purchased the property this year, and looks forward to getting to know both new and returning guests. Our entire family works at the property to make your family's stay a wonderful and memorable summer or fall vacation. We also offer limited winter and spring accommodations. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.